Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can publish your Base44 application on Play Store. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta preview the application that you just built in Base44 and then you gotta make sure that your application is published. You can edit URL or you can use the default URL given by Base44 application. So simply copy the URL that is over here. And once you have copied the URL, you're going to head over to any of the website that converts your web app to a native app. And then you're going to simply paste that URL over here and click on build your app. Then over here, you're going to give your app a name and type down a valid email that is required to secure access to your app. So simply type that email down and click on start building my app. If you're asked to join any organization team, you can do that as well. And then you'll be redirected to a branding interface where you can change your application style, the theme, the colors, and also add icons if you want to do so. And over here at the right side, you'll be able to see a simulator. So all of the changes that you apply over here will be applied over here instantly, and you can see them side by side. After that, you're going to go to build and download. And you'll be redirected to an interface where you can build your application. In our case, we will need this APK or AAB file. So you're going to click on build right next to Android and wait for the application to get built and installed. So once it is built, you'll be able to see a download button. And here you can see it's the download button. So you're going to simply click on download and you'll be able to see download APK or download AAB. So let's say I wish to download APK. I'm going to click on download APK. And after that, you're going to head over to Google Play Console and make sure that you have an account on Google Play Console. You're going to simply log into your account. And if you're signing in for the first time, in order to add application through Google Play Console, you will need a developer account and you have to pay $25 one-time fee for that. But once you have paid that fee, you are free after that and you can enjoy publishing your applications through the Google Play Console. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.